Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove Windows Copilot from Windows 11 computer. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Copilot. Create new Dword 32-bit value named as Turn off Windows Copilot. Change value data to 1. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.